Hello, this is Phil Thomas, New Era Systems. Today this video is looking at some of the old series iNfiniti modems. A couple of different types, the 3000 series, 5000 series, they all had their different advantages or disadvantages. This particular one is a 5000, I believe it's a 5130. I only have the photographs, we don't have any of these in stock at the time I'm making this video. These modems require a hub to operate, and attached to that hub there can be 10 modems, 20, 50, maybe as many as 100 modems. The hub operator buys a decent sized piece of bandwidth from the satellite operator and devotes all of that bandwidth to all of the network, so the network's sharing this on a time division basis. In many cases they used to send these modems out into the field at no charge so that the recipients could use them and pay monthly for the service. Some of the recipients decided that they no longer wanted to belong to this particular network and perhaps would take the modem that they hadn't paid for and change it into a different network. But the hub operators, if they were smart, they would lock the modems. And the only way that the modems could be unlocked to operate with somebody else would be if the hub operator themselves unlocked them. So they were quite secure in that way. It was a smart idea from iDirect. Okay, that's about all I can tell you about these old iNfiniti modems. So, thanks for watching.